Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your player's name in West Game 2. Changing your player name in West Game 2 is super easy. First of all, launch open your West Game 2 game on your device and from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. From the expanded menu, click on the player button at the bottom left. On the next page, go ahead and tap on the top of the screen and tap on this little feather icon and change your name in the text box. You'll need to go ahead and spend a change name card. Go ahead and enter a name and click on change. Make sure that the username is unique. If it is already taken, you will not be able to change to it. And your name has now been changed. You will be able to see the name change at the top of the screen. So that is how you easily change your player name in West Game 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.